mark where I want the jeans to be like frayed. So I'm just going to like, okay, I need them to be like not too close, but like, let's visualize this. Where do I want them to be frayed? Okay, okay, so I'm going to go, they begin here, and I like a, it's not centered, but okay, I can manage. I just need to know the height. And here, that's how long it's going to be. Then on the other side, I'd like it to begin a little lower, not here, like a little lower. Don't try to get them mismatched because like the jeans, they're supposed to be ripped, so that's like cool. And I want this patch to go a little bit longer, so yeah, so like there. Okay, so let's begin, I guess. Okay, there. Whew. Okay, cut. Should cut like a. My mom's gonna kill me for this, but okay. Cut a line. I kind of want it to be a little wide. Okay, this is like a very bad angle, but okay. And then I cut another one right here in the middle of the thing, because obviously I won't be able to get it in a single go. Where did I cut it? I can practically hear my mom yelling at me, but we're gonna do this. I feel like this is just going to be 20 minutes of me struggling to cut a pair of jeans, which is not even like the first step in the whole DIY, but okay. So now I was told to remove the vertical white lines. Yeah. Okay, y'all can see. So this white lines, you see those white ones? The first, okay, I'm gonna distress them. Yes. Okay, and now I'm supposed to pull on the ones. Just like pull on them. Let it be messy, that's fine. I think I'm supposed to pull on the blue ones. What am I supposed to pull on? That's a great question. You know, I'm gonna just fray them. So I just watched a tutorial and I think it was some girl named Misha, and all the comments were that she died. So yeah, that is really sad. I wasn't expecting to go on an emotional trip watching how to distress your jeans videos. Yeah, so I'm gonna go figure this out and then I'm gonna come back with a charged camera. Okay, so that is the finished torn look. I mean, we still yet to add the final looks, but I have like torn it as much as I could, and that's what it looks like now. I mean, I don't think it looks otherwise, it looks cool, right? Yeah, it looks cool. Like if you saw someone on the street wearing this, would you think they're crazy? Or that they DIY'd it? This chain of really sparkly things out of frame, that's more in frame. And I got another one which is a little thinner, and then that's cute too. They're all really cute. Okay, so I just went and I got these, and we're gonna need, oh my god, we're gonna need thread and the thing, obviously. Okay, so I wore these jeans and I measured the length out, and I realized that for like the smallest cut I require about, so I'm measuring it by diamonds. Okay, stitch And there we have it. The
Girl, you're so hot like summer, and I don't wanna walk the lover. You give me feels when you do. No one can do it like you. Girl, you're so hot like summer. You're everything I ever wanted. You give me feels when you do. No one can do it like you. No one can do it like you.